Right, welcome to RevelatorAlf.
RevelatorAlf.
Yes, so this has got nothing to do with motorcycles, but it's got a little bit to do with choppers. Yeah, so helicopter over there, there's a helicopter over there, and yeah, I'm at an RAF base, would you believe? Can't tell you where I am, but all hush hush. But this is, we're about to witness the last flyby of the RAF Tornadoes. So they'll be flying by quite soon, so we're just going to wait here until they do. Still waiting. Still waiting. Here they come. Here they come. There they are. Look at those bad boys. Look at those bad boys. Wow, and there they go. So that was it. That was the flyby of the last tornadoes for the RAF service. So they're going to be in decommission now in March. That was it. That was the live broadcast from RAF station here in the UK. And what a marvellous sight that was. Right, enough of this airmanship stuff. Let's get back to bikes. Catch you on the next video. Cheers now.